Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Let smart tech do the dirty work. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 robotic pool cleaners that combine powerful suction with cutting-edge features like app control, intelligent mapping, and cordless design. These smart robots make pool maintenance faster, easier, and way more efficient. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Seauto SAT20 Robotic Pool Vacuum. The Seauto SAT20, a powerful robotic pool vacuum designed for in-ground pools up to 2,000 square feet. With an impressive 180-minute run time, it handles deep cleaning like a pro. Simply press and go. This cordless cleaner takes care of the rest. It tackles all kinds of debris, from leaves and algae to stones and soil. The 300-micron filter traps fine particles while the 4800 GPH flow rate ensures efficient water movement. Its 180 watts motor delivers strong suction for spotless results. Thanks to smart features like auto docking when the battery is low, it's both intelligent and reliable. The 7,800 mAh battery is built to last, supporting over 10,000 hours of use. Perfect for pools 1.6 to 16.4 feet deep, the SAT20 keeps maintenance effortless. Clean floors, clear water, and zero hassle. This is modern pool care done right. Number 4. Seauto Crab Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Seauto Crab Pro, a powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner built for in-ground pools up to 2,000 square feet with dual 108-watt suction motors and a flow rate of 80 GPM. It tackles leaves, algae, pollen, and even soil with ease. It supports water depths from 1.6 to 16.4 feet and works best with pH levels between 7.0 and 7.8. This cleaner is fully cordless, making setup simple. Just press and go. It automatically docks when the battery runs low, ensuring convenience. Powered by a 7,800 mAh built-in battery, it delivers long-lasting cleaning performance. Thanks to its 250 mm filter density, it captures fine debris efficiently. Plus, it doesn't just clean the floor, it handles water lines too. With over 10,000 hours of lifespan, the Seauto Crab Pro is a reliable choice for a sparkling clean pool. Number 3. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum. The Dolphin Nautilus CC, a powerful robotic pool vacuum designed for pools up to 33 feet. This cleaner climbs walls with ease, tackling dirt on every surface. No matter your pool's shape, it delivers a spotless result every time. Its active scrubbing brush removes debris and algae, saving time and manual effort. Gentle on your pool, yet tough on grime, it leaves the water crystal clear. The top-load filter basket makes cleanup simple. Just lift and rinse. Thanks to its plug-and-play design, setup is quick. Drop it in, power it on, and let it clean in just 2 hours. With over 40 years of trusted Dolphin performance, you're investing in durability and efficiency. The Dolphin Nautilus CC combines smart features and proven reliability, making pool care simple, automatic, and stress-free. Number 2. Prowler 920 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Prowler 920 Robotic Pool Cleaner is designed to make pool maintenance effortless. This genuine OEM product offers deep cleaning on all surfaces with a powerful, high-speed scrubbing brush. It tackles even the toughest debris, ensuring a pristine pool every time. One of the standout features is the top-access filtration basket. It allows for fast and easy debris removal, keeping your pool water crystal clear. You can choose between large or fine debris filtration cartridges, depending on your pool's needs. With its programmable daily cleaning schedule and built-in weekly timer, the Prowler 920 allows you to set it and forget it. It works around your schedule, delivering efficient cleaning without manual effort. Experience a hassle-free pool cleaning solution with the Prowler 920, your ultimate robotic pool cleaner. Number 1. Polaris Freedom Plus Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom Plus cordless robotic pool cleaner, designed to revolutionize pool maintenance for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. This powerful cleaner combines advanced technology and ease of use, giving you control at your fingertips. With a handheld remote using Li-Fi technology, you can easily guide the cleaner to the waterline for quick and effortless removal. The premium outdoor-rated charging caddy ensures convenience, as it cradles your cleaner and fully charges it in just 5 hours. Whether you're at home or away, the iAqualink app allows you to monitor your cleaner's status, track its progress, and receive notifications when the cleaning cycle is complete. Enjoy 3 retrieval methods for added flexibility, via the remote, automatic waterline retrieval, or manual hook. With Polaris, you're getting over 50 years of trusted quality, ensuring your pool stays spotless, season after season.
There was